what's up guys, welcome to another video. Today's song is on the ukulele. I'm going to teach you guys the chords and the picking for this song, so let's get right into it. Alright, the chords that we're going to use is going to be C minor, G minor, and D flat. Alright, C minor, G minor, D flat. If you guys listen to the song, you guys can do a strum with it, so basically goes something easy. Down, 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 down. So the structure: C minor, G minor, C minor again. Flat. Okay. So that's the structure and also the strum pattern you guys can use. Now we're going to get into the picking. This one might take a bit of learning, but I have the tabs on the screen and you guys can follow along. Alright, so we're going to start with the C minor shape here, the chord. We're going to use our ring finger and our pinky and then also our three fingers here. So first we're going to play all three. And then we're gonna hit all three, and then the second string, and we're gonna lift up our pinky and hit the ring finger and the bottom string. So second string, lift up, that's how it should sound like. Okay, so that's the first part of this. So then you hit the second string again. Put your pinky back on it. So we're gonna hit the after you hit the top. So hit it again, and then so. And we'll start from the beginning again. So, and then you're gonna hit the bottom string twice, and then all three, and then take off your pinky, all three again. Now from there, we're going to go to G minor. But with the G minor, we're going to have our pinky on the 5th fret of the E string. So, and we're going to have the kind of the same pattern that we did with the other one. So. This one we're going to hit all three, so in the beginning goes the top string, okay, so I'm going to try and play this all together with the C minor. I'll play it as slow as possible so you guys can follow along, or if you guys just want to watch. So actually I just remembered at the end, So follow the tabs on the screen. Maybe I'll have like a printout or something in the comments so you guys can follow along while playing. But might take you some time to practice that, and just watching, maybe put this at a lower speed. But that's how I play this song on the ukulele. If you guys want to check out my other videos from Billie Eilish, or if you guys have a request on another song, leave it down below in the comment section and I'll try to get to it. But thanks again, you guys, for watching. Hopefully you guys learned something out of this video. If not, please let me know. But thanks again for watching, and I guess I'll see you guys on the next video.